In this video, I'll show you how to create multilingual content with ElevenLabs. First, open ElevenLabs and sign in to your account. Decide what content you want to make available in multiple languages. This could be a video, podcast, advertisement, tutorial, audiobook, or other type of audio project. Start with your original script or audio. If necessary, use the available speech-to-text tools to create a transcript. Next, translate your content into the languages you want to support. Make sure the translations preserve the original meaning and tone. Then use ElevenLabs, voice generation, or dubbing features to create the spoken versions. Choose an appropriate voice for each language. Depending on your project, you may want voices that have a consistent personality across different languages. Generate each version and carefully review the results. Pay attention to pronunciation, names, numbers, technical words, and cultural context. If something sounds incorrect, edit the translated script or voice settings and generate the section again. Once every language has been reviewed, export the audio or video versions using the available options. This workflow can help creators reach international audiences without manually recording every language themselves. And that's how you can create multilingual content with ElevenLabs and expand your content to audiences around the world.